Next time, won't you sing with me? Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of What's Cooking with Dr. Tito. Of course, we just finished washing our hands, and today we are going to make some zucchini bread. So we've got all kinds of fun ingredients laid out right in front of us, and let's get rolling. So in this particular recipe, what we're going to do is start with 3 cups of flour, and we're going to be adding in 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. There's 2, and there's 2. We've got a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we will mix those ingredients. All right, and we'll set them aside. And we'll start working on the wet ingredients. All right, so now we're going to do the wet ingredients. So we're going to start with about 2 cups of shredded zucchini. We're going to add a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar, and here's a little trick. It calls for a cup of oil, but we're going to take about half of that and use applesauce and substitute that in for about half of our oil that we're using. 4 teaspoons of vanilla, and I should have measured that, but that's about 4. And 2 eggs. All right. So, we're going to mix this up really well.
You're using a different whisk?
I am.
Fine. Pretty whiskey.
Okay, so now we're going to take the wet ingredients and fold them into the dry ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and just make muffins just because they're easier to grab. You don't have to cut it, and they actually cook faster as well. So we'll come on over here and oh, how could I forget?
I was going to say.
We've got some chopped pecans, and we've also got some trail mix here, which is a mixture of dark chocolate and walnuts and almonds and some pepitas rather. All right, we're going to fold that in. So now we'll start filling up our muffin cups here.
And these are silicone, so you don't need like liners. They just pop out without. Spraying. How much do you recommend filling it up?
Just under full. Like the first one probably had a little too much in there. It's probably better done with a spoon.
You can get a spoon.
Yeah, I think I will. So you can. All right, now that we have all our silicone muffin pans filled up, and we use silicone because it's just so easy to clean up afterwards. The muffins just pop right out and you don't have to grease them or anything like that. So we're just gonna pop them in the oven here at 350 degrees and watch it.
How long?
I don't know.
Until they're done?
Oops.
Those aren't gonna fit.
So the mini muffins came out at 15 minutes, and we're gonna leave the regular muffins in for another 5. So it looks like they'll be done in about 20 minutes. And there they are, folks. It looked like about 25 minutes was the right amount of time for the full-size muffins at 350 degrees. Enjoy. Bon appetit, y'all.